It looks so messy. So, good morning. Time check. It's around 1:29 and we're just waiting for our flight going to Ho Chi Minh. And we're here at Terminal 1. So it's my first time here in this terminal. So finally, after many years of traveling, I got to experience this terminal. Kasi alam ko, puro social dito. And thanks to my brother for treating me sa trip na to. For my birthday trip. Sobrang advance. So I just woke up and didn't expect na may free food pala nakasama. So yeah. So I got chicken, yogurt, and a piece of bread. Look at our accommodation. It's so nice. Hey. Let's go! Look at our breakfast! It looks so yummy! While waiting sa our check-in time, nagre-remote work muna kami. Look at the ambience! It's so nice! And windy. Sobrang nakakagaan mag-work. That's what I'm looking for! The pudding type of banana. Yay!
Oy, Monica, tikman mo yung tonic drink na in-order ko. Sarap niyan. Tignan mo. Lalo nakita ko lang sa menu. Puro gulay.
Looks healthy and delicious.
Siyempre, healthy living yan, boy.
So, we're on our way to first destination, which is Cafe Apartment. Look at my bangs.
Huwag niyo po itago mga cellphone nyo. Hindi po kayo masamang tao. May po yung mga padyaw, nangingi ng tulong. 100 kuya akong tumangit.
So, let's cross the road.
Mas magaling pa rin pa Pinoy kasi truck eh. Nanguha pa nga ng baterya ng truck eh. Challenge din. Magano ka lang oh.
Uy, gago.
Gagawin ko lang.
Unang punta ko noong 2023, under renovation pa rin. Pero until now, under renovation pa rin. So, kailan kaya ito matatapos?
Tubig, sito, malamig cobra chips, manikas.
Carry light, carry children around
Isang oras pa lang kaming naglalakad pero nakakapagod. Favorite coffee in Vietnam. It's called coconut coffee. Jollibee, vida ang saya. What I like sa Ho Chi Minh is ang daming green spaces where you can walk and exercise. So, another episode of Vietnam vlog. So, kung saan pupunta kami sa iba't ibang cafes here in Ho Chi Minh.
Ako nga pala si Jollibee.
Jollibee.
I'm your host.
Super nice. Oh, tignan mo, may mga nag-exercise. And walking. And
parang sa araw, daming tao dito, di ba?
Yeah, it's first stop. It's called Manmoy Cafe. Look at the interior of the cafe. It's so cozy. Especially, there's a garden with it.
Video na yan. Rolling.
So, I ordered Cafe Swada. You ordered Cafe Swada also, but it's hot. While me, cold. Those lanterns. Oh, I miss this. It's what I miss in Vietnam. The sausages. Yay. So, natigil kami in the middle of the road.
May na-recommend.
Yeah. Another soul. We availed the sightseeing tour. I love this meal. The broken rice. Yay. Nagpabili ako ng merienda sa brother ko kasi gutom na gutom ako. And look. Sobrang laki. Bani. Nakapost ko pa lang na thank you kuya for sponsoring this trip. Nainis na siya pa akin. Ay, hanggang 6 o'clock lang pala yung in-orderan niya ng damit. Anyways, we're on our way to grocery shopping. Bibili ng mga pasabay. So, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my friends for ordering. That's all, bye. First things first, coffee. The legend. Si Mama, bilhan mo ng mga nuts kasi mahilig siya dyan.
Yeah, these nuts.
So, ang dami naming napamili. Eh. Pudding. I miss pudding. Eh. Salamat.
10% lang ang bat.
Huwag naman sabihin, baka naman maano.
Kaya mahal tayo.
Hey, natirikan kami in the middle of nowhere.
Isang oras pa yun muna.
Hey. I did now, I'm shining like a bird of bee. 'Cause we are hunters. We're on the beat. We're going up, up, up. 'Cause we're moving. Gonna be golden. Oh. Kakatapos lang ng massage and sobrang sarap mag-massage talaga dito sa Vietnam. Aside sa mura, grabe, sobrang diin. Like, muli akong pinanganak. Ganun yung feeling. Anyways, our last day lunch. I'm so sad. So, this is our last day and it's raining outside. What can you say about the Vietnam? Whatever. Huwag mo nang pulutin kasi may content creator kang kasama. Charot. Banana bread. He's so excited. Doon na lang tayo. Feel ko mas mura ang pagkain doon.
Pagkaan saan? Okay?
Sa CKO. It's our last night. Yeah, last night or last day here in Ho Chi Minh. And nagpaplano na po siyang mag-leave para next year. At nakabusangot yung mukha ko. Bye, Vietnam. You will be missed. Back to reality na. Pero, nag-work din ako. So, it's nonsense.